Hello and welcome. Today we will build and secure network in the cloud, Google Cloud Challenge Lab. This is our, uh, I mean to say, this is our fifth challenge. Or let's see which one is this. I think this must be four or fifth. Okay, build and secure. Yeah, build and secure. So this is our fifth skill batch challenge lab. These are four challenge lab skill batch. You can do it in very few minutes. All the source code are provided in the description of the video. Okay, so today we'll complete this skill 5 batch, uh, build and secure network in the cloud. So let's do it. I have included this file in the description. Just go through this. We have some problem here. We have to do something manually little bit, so let's see this. Okay, just click on start the lab. I'm not the robot, and check the crosswalk. You can verify use a subscription. We do not need to worry about a subscription plan. We have monthly subscription plan, so just do this. You can try multiple times, but not more than 5 times. Proof is, what is this? Estimated time about 2 minutes. Oh, we need to wait more 2 minutes to be in our lab. So let's wait about 2 minutes. After this we will continue to people here. First let's read some instructions. Okay, this is build and secure network in the cloud, Google Cloud Challenge Lab, and this is the fifth one. Task 1, remove the oversee permission rule. So let's see, is it the same? Yeah, same. So we have all together 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6. Okay, not much but not little tools. So we have run this single command to complete task 1. Yeah, it's taking a little bit time. Still 1 minute we need to wait. It says to activate cloud shell and sign into the page. Yeah, we know, open the cloud console, sign into the page. We know, okay, we have to do this at first, otherwise we can't move ahead. So once get the resource entry point, we will activate the cloud shell, and once activating the cloud shell we will run this code. Once running this code, okay, just click on open Google Cloud Console and copy this username. Yeah, it's already here, and copy the password and put it down, accept the terms and condition. And now you have to accept one mode or location from where we are using this cloud platform. Okay, I will accept it. Yeah, it is compulsory, need to accept. Yeah, once the cloud shell and minimize this navigation menu and expand this little bit, click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will provide us the cloud shell environment, I mean where you can run every code. Just wait a few minutes. Yeah, this is old laptop, don't worry. Whether your I just copy this code to give authorization for the code. Okay, now let's go to, just put it here, and now copy this line number 4 code and paste it here. Press enter and type y and enter. We need to delete the firewall. Yes, it will delete everything. Yeah, it is deleted. Once it deleted, let's check out our remove. Yeah, it's good. Now task 2, you go for the task 2, and it's go to the company engine and start the best sound. Okay, best sound. Go to the compute engine, just search it out, the compute engine, minimize this one. and wait a few minutes, just a few minutes, 1 2 seconds more. Yeah, this is the best turn. Cross the panel and hide this information so it can be a wider. Okay, so this instance is stuck, we need to start it. So I recommend you to what to do. Yeah, just go step by step. You click on start and resume, click on the start button, and it will automatically start the bastion instance as soon as it is possible. Just check out this notification bell icon button here. It's will show every information here what's going on. Yeah, it is completed now. Start VM instance bastion. We see the message. Okay, once it is done, and so our second task is completed, I think. Yeah, it's completed. For the task 3, I think we have to add network tag on the bastion. So how to edit? Just click on this button. Once clicked on this, click on the edit button. Make sure we have our tag ready. Okay, where is the tag button? Yeah, network tag. Just paste it here, bastion, and press the space button, and now click on save. We need to wait, I think, 1 minute at least. It's taking a time. Okay, let's read out some more instruction. Okay, we have a code to run. Okay, we'll run this code. It will create a firewall rule. Okay, let's copy this one. Or I think instead of writing this bastion tag, if you write this tag, no, then it will be good. Just copy this. If it is saved, just edit it once again, and let's try. Wait. Okay, just remove this tag and paste it here. Just keep both tag, no worry. Let's see what will happen. Just keep the both tag. Okay, click on save button. Let's see it will work or not. I think we can need a much more tag. This tag we can add. Let's see it's work. I don't know. I'm not going according to this manual. Just according to my experience, I'm doing this one. Okay, now we will copy this code. Computing the start the bastion instance, click on 3 dot. Once it is started, resume and wait for the green signal. Yeah, done. Now once it is done, we need to what we need to do, we need to run this code to create firewall. Yeah, it's working. Now it will create a firewall rule. Once it is created, we can instance started. Yeah, great. And after this we will run this second line of code. Why not able to copy this one? What happened here? I'll just refresh this. I know this is old laptop and internet is really poor. I'm not able to work it properly. Just it is crap. Okay, we are on tax 3. Just we have pasted this code. Now I will copy this code line. Once copied, yeah, it is done. Paste it here, press enter, and now it is done, I think. And let's check it out. Click on the SSH button next to this and click yes. it must connect. If it is not, then yeah, great, everything is fine. So we can check out this button, it must work. Yeah, let's move to this step number 4. Okay, it says to add. Okay, we will add, but first it says to add to G6 shop. Okay, G6 shop. Okay, what I think I should add, it says to allow HTTP. What I think we should add this tag. Yeah, let's add this tag, it will work. This tag. Okay, and press this button. Now save it. Let's see if, according to my guess, if I'm right, then our firewall tool will definitely work. Okay, so it is saved now. Let's run the code. Yeah, it's working. And after this, run the second line of the code, copy it, press enter, and now let's check it out. How to check it? You can check it by just clicking on the SSH button next to this. Click on connect. If it can connect, then I think we are 100% correct. If not, then let's see what we can do. Yeah, it's taking little bit more time than previous one. I think what it is not included in this menu. I mean that note and PDF. Okay, just close it. No need to do this one. I'm just doing. Okay, let's check out this for. Is it correct? Yeah, correct. Now let's move to the fifth step. For this, we need to run this code. Let's copy it and paste it here. Press enter. It will create firewall rule. And once it is done, yeah, I think it is done. It is done. Run this. Just copy this and paste it there. It must promote. Yeah, good. Now let's check our fifth progress. Nice. Okay, we have to do something like this. Copy this SSH and paste it here. This is the this is SSH window just next to the bastion. We click on the button, click on yes, connect to the VM. Once it connects, yeah, everything fine, and we have to type this internal IP to connect. Type yes. Okay, sorry, type yes, and it will connect. Okay, now it will take few seconds. Keep on checking. Yeah, it says please it's producing the bastion host. We have did what it says please do. So just check it out. Check once again. Is it anything more written? No, everything is okay. Okay, done. So you can see we have completed this built and secure networking cloud console challenge just in a few minutes. Thank you. If you have any question and query, just comment down. I will help you. I will try my best to help you. Thank you.